In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Smartsheet. If you've ever typed a long note and watched it trail off beyond the edge of a cell, wrapping text is the clean, simple way to make everything readable without stretching your columns across the screen. It keeps your information neat, visible, and easy to scan, especially for things like detailed notes, addresses, or instructions. Start by going to your sheet. Once you're there, click the cell that contains the text you want to wrap. You can do this before or after typing your content. It works the same either way. The key idea is that you're telling Smartsheet, show this text on multiple lines inside the same cell, rather than letting it spill visually beyond the cell's boundary. With your cell selected, look up to the top toolbar. You'll find the Wrap Text option there. The icon looks like a set of stacked horizontal lines with a small arrow, a visual hint that your text will fold onto new lines. Click that icon and you're done. The text in your selected cell will immediately wrap, breaking into lines so you can see everything at a glance. You'll know it worked when the words form multiple lines within the cell instead of running straight across. Smartsheet typically adjusts the row height automatically to display the full content once wrapping is on. Nothing about your data changes, only how it's displayed. Your formulas, links, and formatting all stay the same. You're simply improving readability. If you're scanning the toolbar and not spotting the icon right away, take a moment to look for the symbol with the stacked lines. The toolbar groups common formatting controls together, and Wrap Text sits alongside other text tools, so it's easy to reach as you work. It's designed to be a quick, one-click adjustment, so you can keep your focus on the content of your sheet instead of wrestling with layout. Wrapping text is especially helpful when you're collaborating. Teammates will see the same clean layout you do, which reduces confusion and saves time. And because wrapping respects your column width, the number of lines you see will depend on how wide that column is, keeping your grid organized and consistent. That's all there is to it. Go to your sheet, click the cell you want to wrap, find the Wrap Text icon in the top toolbar, and click it. A small change, a big improvement in clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Smartsheet.